Hello guys, I just received this fragrance called Liquid London for Everyone V1. So I'm so happy we can smell this together. So as usual, for a fragrance you expect the packaging makes sure that it doesn't break. So it's perfectly fine because as you can see it has been packed very well. The fragrance I've got today, it's 10 ml, and so it contains some pheromones. So it's a chemical molecule who has this ability to create some attraction between the human beings. Something like you can think it's kind of unconscious, but still have an impact on yourself. So the brand promotes some boosting of confidence to build connection with better connection between each other, and to make you feel more irresistible. So this is really a good selling point. Another thing from this fragrance, so it has been created in 2023, so it's really brand new. And on the top, so from the notes from Fragrantica, the website Fragrantica, we expect that the head will be with juniper, so it's like a fresh aromatic piney note. You expect some citrus on the top, so this freshness will be like citrus from lemon and bergamot. For the heart, you expect some pine notes, so it will be like a reminder of this top note of the juniper, so it goes well with the juniper and make it still fresh and aromatic. You expect some incense, so it gives this mysterious aspect, this kind of for the incense I expect something a bit spicy too, yes. And we have some orris root, so the orris note will bring us some powdery note, some flowery note and powdery note, like we can smell for example in a fragrance like Acqua di Parma. And for the base note we have the vanilla, the amber and the sandalwood, so something really creamy, really balsamic, something really cocooning, just to end and to cover the things. So as you can see, the packaging is really nice. It's really cool because this you can bring everywhere with you. Really easy to use it to travel. Okay, let's smell it now. This is really nice. It's really nice because it's this top note. You have this orangey, bergamoty sweetness, and still we have this peppery incense, make it really mysterious and really woody, piney, sweet, really woody, piney, spicy, peppery, and I can feel on the bottom note this balsamic aspect. This fragrance, it's supposed to be for everyone, so unisex. I can feel it, you can wear it for winter time, summertime, perfectly fine for any events. And the good thing, as you can see, 10 ml, you can put it straight away on your bag and it will be a great companion with you. Okay, so what my thought, it's really good fragrance. Thank you so much Liquid London for sending me this sample to try on. It's really a win-win for me. So yeah, don't hesitate to fetch yours.